Earlier this week I cut down some oak trees so that we can use them as poles for our new project here on the farm. This will be a lean-to for our cattle. It'll be a shelter for the winter time. So yeah, before we can start putting in the poles, we had to take out all the manure. It's quite a big pile, and yesterday it was raining on and off, so this whole area turned into a big mud hole. Usually this driveway to our barn is nice and green, but since it was raining yesterday on and off, it turned into a mud track here. I was driving here with the tractor to bring the manure here to this spot, and yeah, it's quite a pile. My tractor only has rear wheel drive, and as you can see here, yeah, this is really, or was really challenging yesterday. I once almost got stuck here and had to maneuver around to get out again. Yeah, we used the auger on the tractor again to kind of drill these holes, but later we realized, because it was raining the whole time, that it's probably better to postpone it and to do it another time. It was a mess and not fun to work at all.